Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do this orange on orange makeup look. I wanted to continue this series that I have with all these different makeup looks that I do the same color on the eyes and the lips. I have done quite a few of them. So today I'm going to try to do orange, which I haven't played around with this color very much. So let's just get into this makeup look. Wait, before we get into this video, you guys already know, if you did not get the memo, please click down below and subscribe and join my channel here to continue watching videos. I mean, you can still watch the videos without subscribing, but it doesn't really hurt to subscribe. Does it really hurt? And if you want to be notified, you can always click that little bell, no pressure, and be notified when I post a new video like today's video. So today I'm going to try to do this orange on orange makeup look. Like always, we never know what we're doing, but I have some things out to kind of figure out what I'm going to do before baby wakes up. Okay, so eyebrows are good. We're done with eyebrows. I'm going to prep my lids today with the full cover concealer from Makeup Forever, and this is in the color 12. I just want to try something different, something that lasts a little longer than the one that I normally use. So I'm just going to use this guy here. Because I don't know yet what I'm doing, I'm going to just do one eye with you guys and then do the other eye off camera so we can figure out what's going on. I'm going to take this little Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette here. I know how we're feeling about Huda Beauty right now. I don't know if you guys know that they've been ripping off Beauty's Bakery's ideas. So, but this is the only product I own by them, and I really like the colors, and I really need this orange color. So I'm going to use this palette. Don't come for me. Trust me, I already know. So I'm going to take the orange color in this palette. It's like an orangey, pinky, red color, and I'm going to use that into the crease. That's really peachy. Okay, this color is more peachy than orange. So on top of that, I'm going to take this orange color from the Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm mixing both of the orange colors together with this Huda Beauty orange since I already placed it there. It's not orange at all. And I'm just gonna pack it on and around. It looks crazy, but we're gonna make it work. Taking another brush, I'm gonna take the yellow in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to blend out these edges, girl, because ooh, it's gonna blend out these edges. Then I'm gonna go back into that same brush that I used for the orange color, and I'm just going to blend out this color here. And of course I get some in the spot I don't want it, so I'm just gonna blend it out some more with the brush with the yellow. Not adding any more eyeshadow, guys. I'm just using the brush, and the brush already has extra. And as you can see, we have a ton of fallout, so that's why I like to do my foundation afterwards, because I can cover all that up. So I'm just going to take a little bit more yellow and just kind of make sure everything is nice and blended. So I'm going to take another brush, a clean brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges from the yellow to that eyebrow highlight, just to kind of make sure it's not start and stop. You want it to be nice and blended. So kind of like what I got going on here. It looks pretty good. I'm going to kind of clean this up a bit. So I'm going to take some more concealer here, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up this area, but I'm just going to do the middle area here of the eyelid. Then I'm going to take my brush, and I'm going to go into the Galaxy Chick palette from BH Cosmetics and use Venus on top of that concealer. I'm going to take the back of that brush and go in with the darker orange that's on the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and kind of blend out these edges. Using a different brush to clean out these edges. I'm gonna take a little bit more concealer, really try to concentrate it in the center, and then go in with a smaller brush with that Venus color from the Galaxy Chick palette. Taking the tip of this brush and I'm dipping it in that orange in the Huda Beauty palette. Just going to clean up this edge in the crease here and then making sure everything is just right. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side and then we'll move on to the rest of the face. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes real quick. Okay, so now that our lashes are on, they are needing to dry, honey. Let's go ahead and do the rest of the face. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off that excess shadow so that doesn't show up underneath our makeup. So it's not Skinny Dip anymore. They changed their name to Range Beauty. So I'm gonna take their primer and apply that on. This is the bronzing primer that works perfectly with their foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my powder and set a little bit of this primer. So I'm going to take their foundation. This is my color is Sahara Rose from Range Beauty, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to use their foundation also if I can get any out. For concealer, I'm going to use my MAC Pro Longwear in NC45. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set this with some Laura Mercier powder and also my Maybelline Fit Me powder. So because I've been doing these steps for like forever in my videos, I decided to go ahead and set my face with the Laura Mercier powder. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and bronzy up my face. Because I don't do like a contour anymore, I just go straight to bronzer. I like how it makes my face look. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetic. This is the 10 color blush palette. And I'm just gonna take, let's see, just gonna take this like peachy, rosy color here. Not too much, just a little. I'm just gonna take this Becca Opal highlighter to highlight my face. Somebody woke up in the middle of my video. So the last thing I'm gonna do is my lips. And I'm going to take the Exaggerate lip pencil from Rimmel in the color Ravish. So I only fill my lips in a little bit because this one is red. I don't have like an orange liner, so I'm going to fill my lips in with the Measurable Difference matte lip cream, and this one is number 23. I really don't know the color offhand. I will list it for you guys, and it is an orange lipstick. Put in the middle, I'm going to put the same formula, just number 20 in the center. Okay guys, so this is the final look that I came up with. I really love it. Okay, girl, slay. I thought it was gonna be too much with the blonde hair, but actually I like it. What do you guys think? Do you guys love it? I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Let me know down below what color should I do next. If I don't get any response, I'll just come up with a different color to do the combo look with, but I really love this orange look. Don't forget to click and subscribe down below and click that bell if you want to be notified when I post a new video, and I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey, bye bye.